Hey guys, so today I want to do another review on one of the things that I use in the nursery. And the reason I wanted to do another review on this product, because I believe I did have one last year, is because the top part with the animals and everything just started to work. After a year, not sure if it was because of the batteries, not sure if it was a circuit problem or I have no idea, but this week I pressed all the buttons and voila, started to work. And then I thought, okay, the chair has to be on and it has to be on. No. Okay, I'm gonna get into that in about a quick second. So this is just the Fisher Price Rainforest vibrating bouncer chair. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay. It has two animals, a little monkey, and then a little bird. Okay. It is a 3-point harness. Okay, and adjustable straps. Okay. Now, it may look a little bit higher to you guys, but once you put a baby in, and right now I take care of a 4-month-old baby, and this, believe it or not, reclines. Reclines almost flat. So, it's about that high. Once you put a child in here, it actually goes to about here. Okay? So, almost flat, which is good. And this little thing on the side. Okay? And these are almost impossible to unsnap. So it's not something the child is going to be able to just pop open and snap. Because definitely not. So it's not that much to know about. I mean, the bouncer, it does bounce. If you take this part off, this part does come up. Like that. Okay. So like I said, you can turn it on, turn those off, turn it on to vibrate. The batteries are in here, these 2D batteries, and this folds down like that. The tricky part now is this. You see here, you have a few buttons. This is for everything to rotate. Okay, so turn this way. Okay. It all turns on. The monkey swings from the tree. The fall comes up from there. And then the waterfall falls down. Okay. It has insect sounds or nature sounds, and it also has music. And you press their turn on. That's off. Okay, so it was like a white noise, didn't need beep. And then does go loud. And the speaker is here. Okay. Then you could do this. Okay. Not really sure that this part right here does. I don't think it works at the moment. So once you have off, on. Okay. So, and then we have just this parrot here. Okay, or cuckoo. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the review. It's just I wanted to let you know that the chair does not have to vibrate for this to be on. And this does have to be on for the chair to vibrate. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye!